Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I am working with spaghetti squash. Not treating it like traditional Italian spaghetti because it just isn't. But instead, I'm going to be making this squash with a North African spice profile. Really delicious, really easy to make. Check it out. This is such a fun squash to cook with. Do you know the first spaghetti squashes were actually developed? All squashes came from America, the Americas. And then this squash actually was developed in China and became popular in Japan before making its way back to the United States, back to the Americas, where it's gained a lot of popularity. Just a fun spaghetti squash fact for you. So I'm scooping out the seeds, cut it in half, cut the top off, scooped out the seeds. Then I'm going to put a light coating of olive oil on the inside of this. Not too much or it'll get soggy. Just a light coating, and I'm going to flip it over on some parchment paper and a baking sheet. And I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to take out a little angst. Put some holes in the top of it just so that way steam can escape. And it's going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 40-45 minutes. And there it goes. While that's cooking, I'm going to take some chickpeas. Nuts would work well, but I actually really enjoyed using chickpeas on this. And I'm going to toast those up in some oil, pretty hot oil actually. Careful, they pop a little bit. But you can see that nice golden color on those? Then I'm going to add my spice. It's Ras Al Hanout. It's a North African spice from Stock and Spice. You can go down there and get it from Paula. It is fabulous for this dish. I cannot say enough about it. Toast that for just like 30 seconds or so, just to warm the spices. I'm going to take that off the heat. Squash is out of the oven. Flip it over, and you can let it cool a little bit, or if you don't want to, grab it with some tongs, and you can just use a fork to just scrape out the flesh. Look at that. Just comes right out. Super simple. Gonna add my chickpeas and spice mix. I'm going to mix that up gently so it doesn't break all apart, and there you go. Alright, our squash is done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt on the top. You could drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the top too if you want to. I think that would be really nice. If you feel like it needs it. Let's try this out. Oh, the toasted spices. Wow, that is super flavorful. Wow, it was easy to make and so delicious. Try this one out. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that is really good.